Welcome to our health and nutrition channel, where we explore how the food we eat affects our well-being. Today, we're talking about something unusual but really good for you: lemon and spinach. Mixing lemon juice with spinach might seem strange, but it's actually backed by science and recommended by experts. Here's why: lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps our bodies absorb iron from spinach. Spinach contains non-heme iron, which can be hard for our bodies to absorb efficiently, but when we add lemon juice, the vitamin C helps our bodies absorb that iron better. Iron is crucial for making hemoglobin, that protein that carries oxygen in our blood. Without enough iron, we can become anemic, feeling tired and low on energy. Besides helping with nutrition, lemon also acts as a natural preservative, keeping food fresh for longer. When we pair lemon with iron-rich foods like spinach, it boosts iron absorption, improving blood health and energy levels. Now, let's talk about spinach. It's not just a leafy green, it's a nutritional powers. Spinach is full of iron, fiber, potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants. Its iron content is essential for preventing anemia and keeping our energy levels up. Fiber in spinach helps with digestion and blood sugar control, while potassium supports heart health. Plus, it's rich in vitamins A, K, and folate, important for various bodily functions, including immune and eye health. Vitamin C in lemon isn't just for iron absorption. It's also a powerful antioxidant that fights cell damage and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Recent research shows that spinach can help manage high blood pressure and prevent vision loss, thanks to its nitrate content and other beneficial compounds. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember the combo of lemon and spinach. It's not only tasty but also offers a bunch of health benefits, from better iron absorption to heart and eye health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Here's to your health, with more greens and a squeeze of lemon.